We use I'll do I will when we've just decided to do something. When we say I'll do something, we announce our decision. Oh, I left the door open. I'll go and shut it. What would you like to drink? I'll have orange juice, please. Did you call Max? Oh no, I forgot. I'll call him now. We do not use the present simple, I do, I go, etc. in these sentences. I'll phone him now. Not, I phone him now. We often use, I don't think I'll, I'm a little hungry. I think I'll have something to eat. I don't think I'll go out tonight. I'm too tired. In spoken English, will not is usually won't. I can see you're busy, so I won't stay long. I will not stay long. We often use I'll in these situations. B, offering to do something that bag looks heavy. I'll help you with it. Not I help. Agreeing to do something. A, can you give Tom this book? B, sure, I'll give it to him when I see him this afternoon. Promising to do something. Thanks for lending me the money. I'll pay you back on Friday. I won't tell anyone what happened. I promise. We use won't to say that somebody refuses to do something. I've tried to give her advice, but she won't listen. The car won't start. The car refuses to start. Will you do something? Please do it. Will you please turn the music down? It's too loud. We do not use will to talk about what has been decided or arranged before. I'm going on holiday next Saturday, not I'll go. Compare. I'm meeting Kate tomorrow morning, decided before. A, I'll meet you at 10:30, okay? B, fine. See you then. Decided now. We use shall mostly in the questions shall I, shall we. We use shall we, to ask if it's okay to do something or to ask for a suggestion. Shall I open the window? Do you want me to open it? I've got no money. What shall I do? What do you suggest? Shall we go? Just a minute. I'm not ready yet. Where shall we have lunch? Let's go to Marino's. Compare shall I, and will you, shall I shut the door? Do you want me to shut it? Will you shut the door? I want you to shut it.